Dear student, BSc AZ first year, today I am taking topic set which we have read in previous classes in class 6, 7th, 8th, 9th many times. Only CBSE student doesn't know about sets. So I have taken today topic set. Set is in your course. It is set first lecture. Today first lecture of set. You read carefully. I will give you PDF also, and I have already given to you CBSE book in set first year. You read only elementary idea about set, not thoroughly elementary concept of sets. Go on. Set. Set is a collection of well-defined objects which are distinct and distinguishable. Set is a collection of well-defined objects which are distinct and distinguishable. Well-defined object means elements, set of elements are collected for any purpose, and all the elements are different. डिफरेंट मीन्स डिस्टिंग एंड डिस्टिंग्विबल में सेपरेट किया जा सके. जैसे ए सेट, नेम ऑफ सेट इज रिप्रेजेंटेड कैपिटल अल्फाबेट एंड इट्स एलिमेंट्स आर स्मॉल अल्फाबेट या आर एनी नंबर. Set, you suppose Kanpur is a city, a set Kanpur, which in this set we collect object all the graduate pupil in the Kanpur. Then this is the set of all the graduate pupil of Kanpur. The concept of set developed by German mathematician George Cantor in 1845, between 19 birth and death. In this set, I have explained you, set is a collection of well-defined objects which are distinct and distinguishable. Name of set is represented by generally capital alphabet, and elements A, B, C are in a small alphabet or number 1, 2, 3. So we can take many examples of set. Suppose a set A, the river of India, the rivers of India. We are talking about number. Suppose n is a set of natural number which covers natural number or counting number. Here n is the notation of the set. Notation of the set. Z is set of numbers, integers, like that 1, 2, 3, and here -1, -2. These are set. Set is written two form. Set is written in two form. First, roster. First roster, ROSTR, roster, or tabular form. Roster or tabular form, like a set of natural number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We know set is a natural number of 10 number. In this set is written in the roster form. Name of set is natural number, and their element 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10। सेट को हिंदी में समुच्चय कहते हैं। सेट जो है कलेक्शन ऑफ वेल डिफाइंड ऑब्जेक्ट विच आर डिस्टिंक्ट एंड डिस्टिंग्विबल। सेट को जो है कैपिटल अल्फाबेट से डिनोट किया जाता है। इसके अवयव एलिमेंट्स जो होते हैं ए बी सी स्मॉल अल्फाबेट या नंबर हो सकते हैं। सेट को लिखने का तरीका दो तरह से है, रोस्टर और टेबलर फॉर्म फर्स्ट, जिसमें डायरेक्टली हम सेट को लिखते हैं 1 2 3 4 5 6 9 10 तक नेचुरल नंबर का। अगर इसको दूसरा वे जो है रोस्टर और ये टेबलर फॉर्म में लिखा हुआ है, अगर दूसरा सेट का लिखने का तरीका है सेकंड, सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म। सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म, सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म। सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म को समझ सकते हैं कि रिटेन इन द नोटेशन फॉर्म। दिस सेट नेचुरल नंबर इज रिटेन 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 in tabular form. Now we are going to convert this set in set builder form. Set builder form. This is written in the roster tabular form, and this is now we are coming to convert roster and tabular form into set builder form. This set written in this type x such that x belongs to natural number and x is less than equal to 10. This is the set builder form. This sign dash or dash this called such that this sign shows such that means x कैसा है। x कैसा है क्या मतलब all the elements of this set x belongs to n and x less than equal to 10। belongs का मतलब this sign belongs to। हिंदी में belong का मतलब है अवयव है। इसका मतलब जो है इस सेट में जो नंबर्स लिए गए हैं ऑल आर नेचुरल नंबर, तो बिलोंग शो करता है, दिस शो करता है। सपोज एंड नेचुरल नंबर लेस देन इक्वल टू 10 तक का ही नेचुरल नंबर है। वी हैव आइडिया नेचुरल नंबर स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 1 and it goes up to infinity. If we cut this belong like that, if we cut this belong not belongs to मीन्स इसका एलिमेंट नहीं है। जैसे इसमें देखिए नेचुरल नंबर के सेट में 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 ही एलिमेंट हैं, बट 11 की बात करें तो 11 नेचुरल नंबर तो है, ये फर्स्ट केस तो फॉलो करता है x बिलोंग्स टू n, बट x इज नॉट लेस देन इक्वल टू 10। तो 10 इज बिलोंग्स टू दिस नेचुरल नंबर, बट 11 not belongs to this natural number. Now I think you are clear about what is roster or tabular form. Roster and tabular form we directly written 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and in this set we can convert into set builder form. Same set n we can write n all the elements of set in flower bracket x such that this sign shows the such that means for every x which belongs to n, x belongs to n सभी एलिमेंट जो हैं वो नेचुरल नंबर हैं, एंड x लेस देन 10 ये जो एलिमेंट है वो 10 से कम है, 10 से छोटा है या 10 के बराबर है। ए साइन बिलोंग्स शो करता है बिलोंग्स टू, इसका मतलब ये सारे एलिमेंट 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 इस सेट को बिलोंग करते हैं। तो अगर हम इन एलिमेंट्स में कोई लेंगे तो बोलेंगे 10 इज बिलोंग्स टू एन दिस सेट, बट 11 इज नॉट बिलोंग्स टू दिस सेट। This way we can understand about roster form. Any roster form convert into set builder form, or any set builder form may be convert into roster tabular form. Now we are coming one by one types of set. Types of set. Simple way, finite set. Finite set. A set which has number of elements finite. That set is called finite set. Like we have taken a set of natural number 1 2 3 4 5. This set is written in the roster tabular form. If we convert into set builder form, x such that x belongs to natural number and x less than equal to 5. In this way, this set number of element is 1 2 3 4 5 5 element. It is a finite set. This is written in the roster builder form. This is written in roster tabular form, and this is set builder form. This set has number of element is finite, so this set we can say finite set. Infinite set. Infinite set. A set which has number of element not finite, that set is called infinite set. Suppose this is set 1 2 3 4 up to infinity, not defined how much. This set is called infinite set. This set is written in the roster tabular form. Now we convert this set into set builder form. X such that x belongs to नेचुरल नंबर, मतलब इस सेट के सारे एलिमेंट नेचुरल नंबर सेट को बिलोंग करते हैं। दिस इज द वे ऑफ नोटेशन, एंड दिस इज फाइनाइट सेट एंड इनफाइनाइट सेट. After that, we are explain you empty set and singleton set. Empty set. A set which has no possible element means no element called empty set. In a set builder form, we can define A such that x is a student of class BSc AG presently studying in a school. X such that X is a student of class BSc AG presently study in school, and we know no class BSc in school, it is in university or college. So this is empty set. Another example of empty set: B X such that Kanpur is a city of MP. Here no element is possible, so this is empty set. Empty notation of empty set is phi or this. This is empty set. Empty set. You see another example. Set capital X such that X belongs to natural number and X plus 5 is equal to 0. Here we see, if solve this linear equation, we find value of X is 5 minus 5. Here we mention X belongs to N and value of X is must be X is equal to minus 5. We know minus 5 is not natural number, so no element is possible in this set. This set is called empty set. Empty set is also called the null set. Empty set is also called the null set, and it is represented by phi or in this one. Another example, a set L X such that Krantiveer is a student of BSc AG first year and second year both at time. L X is Krantiveer is a student of BSc AG first and second years both at time. No student can be read simultaneously in first year and second year. So here number of set is not possible. So this is in this way we have explained you what is the empty or null set. Empty or null set. And we have already explained you finite set and infinite set. I think you have clear about that. Or now we have getting singleton set. Singleton set. Now we have singleton set. Singleton set. Singleton set is set which has only one element. Singleton set is a set which has only one element. Suppose a set X such that X is capital of India. X ऐसा सेट है कैपिटल ऑफ इंडिया. वी नो हाउ मेनी कैपिटल ऑफ इंडिया? only one India. India capital is only one, New Delhi. A is equal to X such that X is capital of India. Number of capital of India is not more than one. Only one capital, so it is a singleton set. It covers only one element. This type of set is called singleton set. You see one more example of singleton set. Any set n X such that X belongs to natural number and 3x minus 15 is equal to 0. It is a real linear equation of 1 degree. Linear equation we can solve. The value of x we will find x is equal to 15 upon 3 means 5. X is equal to 5. You see, every linear equation has only one variable, and value of variable is only one. You have read about linear equation. Linear equation you are reading in starting class 4th, 5th, 6th and 7th. X says that x belongs to natural number. 3x minus 15. 3x minus 15 is equal to 0. X is equal to 15 upon 3 is equal to 5. X is equal to 5. X 5 आ रहा है, तो ये आपका जो है सिंगलटन सेट हो गया. सिंगलटन सेट. I think now you are clear about empty set and null set. Don't be confused that in empty set or null set only one no element. Empty or null set no element. Notation of this one phi and null set, but singleton set set which has only one element. Empty set has no element and singleton set has only one element. You see the example of singleton set. X says that x belongs to n, 3x minus 15, and after solving these linear equation, we find value of x is equal to 5. 5 is the value of x, and you already told in this set x belongs to natural number, so x is equal to 5. Today I have taken what is set. Set is a collection of well-defined objects and which are distinct and distinguishable. Distinct means all are different. No repetition are allowed in a set. No repetition are allowed in a set. Set can written in two way: roster or tabular form. Directly write all the number. But if an element is more than 10 or 100, 200,000, it is not possible to cover in roster and tabular form. So we will find second way, set builder form. This is the example of tabular form, and this is the set builder form. Notation are very necessary. You care about these notation. Many notation come in the set. Like this notation means such that, how it is, and this notation is belongs to, and this notation not belong. We cut to. We have already after that we have taken finite set. If set which has number of element is finite, that set is called infinite set. A finite set, and a set which has no element are common, no finite, then a number is called infinite set. One more set, joint set. Suppose a set alpha, beta, gamma, and this set is gamma, eta. Here we see, you see, gamma is common in both set. One element is common. At least in set or three set, at least one element is common. That these two sets are called joint set. Two sets in which at least one element is common, that set is called that joint set. And this joint set, suppose a set A is equal to alpha, beta, gamma, another set eta, this one. Here you see alpha, beta, gamma. Here SD, and this no element is common, means no element of common in A and B. अब देखिए ज्वाइंट सेट विच है ऐसा समुच्चय, ऐसा सेट जैसे ए के पास अल्फा बीटा गामा, बी के साथ गामा एस है, इसमें आपका गामा कॉमन है तो ये ज्वाइंट सेट हो गया. डिसज्वाइंट सेट इज टू सेट्स विच हैज नो एलिमेंट आर कॉमन. हियर एलिमेंट आर अल्फा बीटा गामा, हियर ईटा एंड एस डी. No element is common, that is disjoint set. You see an example of this one, 1 2 3 4 and b is equal to 6 7. Here no element are common. Here 1 2 3 4 and 6, so disjoint set. Both are disjoint set. And this is joint set. Two sets which has no element is are common, that set is called disjoint set. Today I have taken you concept of set. After that, notation of set in two way, roster and tabular form. Second one, set and builder form. After that, I have explained you finite set, infinite set, empty or null set, and after that singleton set. Empty set has no element and it is represented at phi and this is 1. One more thing is clear. Every time confusion, empty set, phi are blank element, and singleton set, this set is a singleton set because it has element 0, but if it is blank, so empty set. Don't be confused that always questions are coming 0 is singleton or empty. Must singleton. This is the first lecture of set. After that I will explain you how to set joints. Okay, thank you.